Here is my brother Zach imitating the pickle surprise.
Welcome! If your sandwiches taste bad, have the pickle surprise or mayo.
It's upside down.
It is? The pickle surprise is an evil thing that will attack you. And it will indeed destroy you. Eating that white, will it destroy you? Will it destroy I'm allergic to sniffing thingies. And now I am going.
Okay, it's Luke's turn. You're okay, here's Luke.
I am taking the vicious lion. He's ripping my pants off, boys. He's ripping my pants off. I'm trying to use that so much. I can battle out the crocodile hunter.
Okay, here's Noah. And there's Luke.